Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cameron. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back. Okay, so today's video is gonna be unboxing the Jeffree Star mystery box. Which one did I get? I got the Supreme, the big one, the really big one. This one just got here today. I literally went to check the mail, got it. So here we are gonna do unboxing. If you like this look, definitely go to my previous video or my next video, I don't know which one, and watch it and get all the details. The only thing is I changed the lipstick. I didn't wear the same lipstick. I switched it and I put on the, I don't know, because someone messed it up. I think this is the wifey shade. It's from the family collection. So yeah, I switched the lipsticks. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open her up to see what is inside. Ooh, that's a good little. Okay, so I have my scissors right here, ready for me to open. Okay, we're just gonna do this. Okay, ready to open her up and see everything that I got inside. The only thing that I guess to share is this one is, what is it? Let me look, I have it on my laptop. This one's $145, but with all the tax and all that good stuff, it came out to $156.24. So I better be good in my money's worth. And of course, there's probably gonna be repeats. I don't know, there's exclusive items in here, so we'll be doing a giveaway. So yeah, here we go. So we're gonna open her up. Oh God, it's a big box. So y'all can see what's in it before me. Anything good? Okay. So first things first, that is definitely good because I don't have this, whatever this is. What is this? Oh, it's a bag! That's so cute. It's like a little shopper. That's so cool. It says, Cameron, I'm gagging. Hi, how are ya? Jeffree Star approved and iconic. So that's cool. It's like a little shopper bag. That's iconic. So we'll just go ahead and set her there. Next thing is, ooh, I got one of these. It's one of those little bags. Okay. So one of the little bags, we're gonna open it up. Ooh, it's so cute. I'm gonna wear it now. So instead of I think the colors that came in this are like red, pink, and baby pink. So this one's like a burgundy. Ooh, I should put a burgundy lip on. Okay. So here we are with my little Jeffree Star little thingamajig. Next thing is we all know what this is. I already have this one, so this one's definitely gonna be a giveaway. Sorry, I'm ripping paper. So this one is going to be Miss Blue Blood herself. So I have two now. Okay. So open that one and let's take a look inside. So yeah, giveaway. So pretty. I have two. That's cool. So yeah, I have definitely so many things to give away, or I have a good friend of mine that I might just give this to. So yeah, we'll see. So we're gonna set this here. Next thing, yay, another POPSOCKET, a pink one. That's the only color I don't have. I was literally just thinking about this the other day. I love the acid yellow one. I have that on my phone right now. Actually, I have my phone case right here. So I have that one on my phone now. I had the red one and I have the orange one. So now I have a pink one. So I need to go get a pink case. So I can put that on there. Yay, so excited for that. Tissue paper. And then this, I don't know what this is. So this is gotta be, ooh, oh my God. I literally have this too. So someone's gonna get, this is a skin palette first, yeah. Where's mine? Oh yeah, so here, this is the same thing. So I literally have it right here. So yeah, ooh, this is what it looks like. I like this shade right here. So definitely another giveaway. Ooh, a gloss. This is the gloss. This is ice cold. Don't think I have this one. Yeah, because I only have two, so I definitely don't have this one. How do you open it? I don't know why I'm going so quick, but I'm so excited. Okay, we're just gonna break this side because it's taking too much of my time. Ooh, okay, so this one that's the shade. I'm gonna do a little swatch right here. Ooh, that's pretty. So, ooh, there you go. Ooh, nice. So excited for that. Yay, so this one is my pile over here. This is someone else's pile. Another one of these. Ooh, a snow cone. Is this the one that I have? I have Jawbreaker. Okay, so I don't have this one. So this is a lip ammo. And this one is in snow cone. This one is, ooh, it's like a light green color. So we'll do a little squat. Do a lot of squat. It's gonna be right there. Okay, and of course I'll be putting like the prices or whatever, or like a picture. We'll see of what, how much these are. So that's cool. Another thing for me. Next one is gonna be Druglord, which I definitely have. I think it's, no. Do I have this one? I don't know. Did I pull them all up? Okay, that one is Scandal, Jeffree Who. That one is You're Selling the Property, Triggered. Hi, how are ya? Clout, Karma, and Camera Light. Okay, so maybe, is this a different one? Or no, Druglord is this one. Yeah, okay, so I have this one. So I'm just gonna look at it, see what the packaging looks like, because, ooh, a white one. Ooh, I have a white one and a not white one. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna keep that because I love to keep packaging. I have that with Poinsettia too. Next one is gonna be Blow Pony. I don't have this one. I'm pretty sure of that one. Ooh, okay, well, let me just do these, do a swatch of these. So here is Blow Pony. So it's a nice purple. And then, oh my God, I just messed that one up. Just got it all over. Okay, and then, so we're gonna do this one, Druglord. Y'all already know what Druglord is, it's white. There's Druglord. And the next thing is gonna be another gloss. So this is a Soft Core Sparkle. Ooh. So this one is probably the exclusive one. Oh man, okay, we just need to do this. That's easier. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, this can go right over that color. Oh, that's pretty. It looks very similar. So it's right, this is it. It's more like a, I don't know how to explain it. This one. But it'll look so nice next to this one, like right over it. Yes, mama. Ooh, excited for that one. Smells so good. Okay, that's another one. We have a Jeffree Star Cosmetic Velour liquid lipstick scrub, a lip scrub, and this one is in the shade of Spearmint. Ugh. So let's smell. Tastes like gum. That's mine. And then the last but not least is a Jeffree Star approved Star Mirror. Ooh, and this one is Baby Pink Chrome. So let me get my little scissors ready because we're gonna cut this bitch open. And okay, and this one is, ooh, that's pretty. That's so pretty. Ooh, I like it. So yeah, I really like this. That's so cool. So I have just the regular pink one, this one, and I have the orange one. The orange one. So now I have another one to add to my collection. So that's so cool. So I guess exclusive ones. Is there exclusive one? Well, yeah, this is exclusive, I think. I don't think this is on the website. This is exclusive. This is exclusive. This is exclusive. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 exclusive items, I think, and that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's nothing else. So that is it. I'm definitely excited for this. We'll have like a total of all of it right here of how much everything was included. I don't know how much this bag is, so we'll just guess. And yeah, and then this is exclusive too. This is an exclusive. That's exclusive. So yeah, that is the video. If you guys like this type of video, I feel like it was going really quick. If you want to see more like this one, definitely, yeah, do that. I don't know. Keep subscribing, like, do whatever. Jeffree Star mystery boxes. Bye, guys.